Hello friends, we are back with a new video of the National Science Olympiad exams 2018-2019 Set A Class 2. In this question paper we are dealing with question 16 to question number 30. This is part 2 video of part 1. In the part 1 video we have dealt with question number 1 to question number 15. In the third part we will be dealing with the Achievers section, question number 31 to question 35. Part 1, Part 2 and Part 3 together make the whole question paper. So before moving forward, let me request you, if you are new to this channel, please subscribe to this channel for more such content. Give us a like and share if you like this video. Question number 16. Study the given map of a locality. Study the given map of a locality. What is located east to the post office? Okay, so for this map, east, west, north, south is like this. East, west, north, south. So east, west, north, south. East to post office. Now if this is post office, east means this side and west means this side. So west you have Children's Park, on the north you have hospital, and on the right side, that is the east side, you have the shopping mall or mall. So what will be the answer? It will be shopping mall. Question number 17. The given figure shows a plant with some labeled parts. Given figure shows a plant with some labeled parts. PQRS. So here is PQRS. PQRS. P stands for roots, Q stands for stem, R stands for leaves, and S stands for flowers. Next, part dash carries food from dash to all other parts of the plant. Now they are asking for the part of the plant which carries food from another part of the plant to all parts of the plant, all other parts of the plant. So roots absorb water from soil so that the water can be used by the plant for its living. Q or stem carries food prepared by the leaves to other parts. R actually prepares food from water and minerals and CO2 in the presence of sunlight. S or flower forms seeds through which new plants are formed and the new generation is obtained. So here we can clearly see that Q is the only part that carries food prepared by the leaves. So it will be Q here. Q carries food from leaves, or it is R. R to all other parts of the plant. So the two parts are Q and R. Which option is there mentioning Q and R? It is option B. So question number 18. Which is the smallest planet in our solar system? Which is the smallest planet in our solar system? A. Mercury, B. Venus, C. Earth, and D. Mars. Now here we have a size comparison chart of different planets. The 8 planets. See, from here we are starting with Mercury and ending at Neptune. So this is the Sun towards this side. And starting with Mercury, so this is Mercury, this is Venus, this is Earth, Mars, Jupiter, Saturn, Uranus, Neptune. This from Jupiter to these Neptune, these 4 planets are a little bit bigger. So comparison is basically within these 4 planets. So Mercury, I think, is smaller than Mars and Venus also. Mercury is smaller than Earth, everybody knows, but from Venus and Mars, Mercury is smaller. So Mercury is the smallest planet in the solar system. So Mercury is the smallest planet. Question 19. Study the given relationship and select the option that correctly identifies X. So we have to identify X here from this options given. Now, hen, coop. We know that the house of hen or home for hen is called coop. It is made up of wooden sticks or sometimes bamboo sticks also. So coop is a house for hen. It is given on the left side. So on the right side, if you have dog and X here, it should mean that the house of the dog must sit here. So X should mean that house of dog. So let's search from here. Stable, sty, stable for horse, sty for pig, shed for cow, kennel is the house of dog. Yes. So the answer will be C. So here is a small list of animals and their homes, the name of their homes given. So question number 20. Which among the following is the hardest mineral? Which among the following is the hardest mineral? We know that the hardest mineral is diamond. So if you have that information, you can tick on diamond. Graphite is very soft. Quartz is not very hard. Talc is also not hard. So diamond is the only thing that is the hardest of all mineral. Question 21. Which of the following festivals is associated with the given picture? So this is the picture given for a boat race. Okay, this is the typical boat race of Kerala. Okay, these boats are called snake boats because of their shape, like the head of the snake. When that snake swims in water, exactly it looks like this head of the boat. Now which festival is here related to Kerala? Pongal is in Tamil Nadu. Eid ul-Fitr is not possible. Christmas doesn't represent the boat race. So Onam is a festival which is related to the harvesting time, celebrated in Kerala. So we can go with Onam, and we also know that this snake boat race is famous in Kerala. Now this boat race is often called as Valamkalli in Kerala. So coming to question number 22. Study Sonu's family tree. Study Sonu's family tree. It is a family tree. This chart represents a family tree. Sonu has two real sisters. So real sisters means a sister from your own parent, and a cousin sister means a sister from your uncle's or auntie's marriage. Okay, so cousin sister and real sister has a difference. So Sonu has two real sisters and one cousin. Okay, cousin sister actually, which letter in the family tree represents Sonu? Out of these all letters written over here, you have to find out who is Sonu. Is it R, S, T, U, V, X, Y, Z? Who is Sonu? Okay. So remember in a family chart that a man is represented by a square box and a woman with a circle. Okay. Now, P and Q are married. This is called marriage line, and this is called offspring line. Okay. This horizontal line. Sorry, the vertical line. Now, these are offspring out of this marriage between P and Q. So they have a son, they have a daughter, they have another daughter. So one son and two daughters, one male, one boy, one girl, another girl. So two girls and one boy. So this boy is married to, this boy is R. He is married to R, a female. And this girl is married to V, a male. Okay. So out of this marriage, they have a daughter W. And out of this marriage, they have three more children. One male and two females. Okay. So let's consider if this is a male. Say for example, if this is Sonu, S. Okay. Then does Sonu have any cousin I think there is no cousin represented here. These two are Sonu's real sisters out of PQ parents. Okay. Now, if this is Sonu, now this cannot be Sonu because he is an external person, another man married to a daughter. This is this person is coming from another family. Okay. So as this R is coming from another family. Okay. Now within this family, let's consider this is X. So Sonu has one real sister, two real sisters. So two real sisters Sonu has, and one cousin sister. So cousin sister represented by W, and Sonu can be this X. This X can be represented as Sonu. So we will go with this option. Question number 23. Dash can be obtained from the source from which object X can be obtained. You have to choose out an object from this option which can be written here, and this object should be made up of certain material, some material, say for example, which is also a component of this X. This is actually X, represented by X. So this is a tire. Okay. This tire is made up of rubber. So let us search what thing you can find out from here which is made up of rubber. So a t-shirt cannot be made up of rubber. A rope cannot be made up of rubber. A book cannot be made up of rubber. But gloves, yes, those used in hospitals, these gloves are really made up of rubber. So rubber could be an option and gloves would go here. So gloves can be obtained from the source from which object X can be obtained. Question 24. Refer to the given picture. Is the boy following safety rules? Option number A. Yes, he is not flying kite in the ground. I think you should fly kites in the ground only. Okay. So second option. So I think this is wrong. Okay. Now, no, he is not wearing swim float. Flying kite doesn't need swimming float. If he was swimming, you could have said like that. Okay. He's not swimming. So this is also wrong. Yes, he is wearing a cap. Flying kite and wearing a cap has no relation. So this is also wrong. No, he is flying kite on roof with no side wall. Actually, this is the correct option. So we would go with option number D, because it's good that you are flying your kite on the roof, but a roof without any side wall, I think this should be the side walls. This much height it has got. Okay. So if it had a roof or had a side wall, then you could have been safe enough to fly the kite. Okay. Since there is no side wall, this flying kite by the boy is not okay. Question 25. Which of the following body parts is not present in pair? Which one out of these four is not present in pair? This is ear, this is hand, this is leg, feet or foot, okay, and this is nose. So we have two ears, we have two hands, we have two foot, that is a pair of feet, a pair of foot rather, and one nose only. So let's go with this option. This has no pair. Okay, but remember that nostrils are two. They are in pairs. Nostrils means these are the holes through which we inhale or we breathe in and breathe out through nostrils. Okay, these two holes present on our nose are called nostrils. So nostrils are two, but nose is one. Which of the following, question number 26, which of the following represents growth in living things? A gel bead increasing in size when put in water, a balloon increasing in size when inflated, money plant spreading on wall, None of these. Now, for question number 26, you have a little bit explanation of that. Actually, gel bead itself is a non-living thing. So it cannot grow. Okay. It swells up absorbing the water. Okay. So this is not growth. Growth is something internal. It's an internal process. Growth is something that needs stimulus. Okay. So balloon expands, the second option, balloon expands because we fill air from outside. It has nothing to do with growth. It increases in size only. So this is not growth. Okay. Money plant spreading on the wall. Now, money plant spreading on the wall is a living phenomenon. Okay. So it is growth. You can consider it as growth because its leaves, branches, roots, stems grow and develop. Okay. If you have 20 leaves at the start, after 1 month, you will see 35 to 40 leaves. So this is not happening with the balloon when you expand it. This is not happening with the gel bead, okay, absorbing water. So if you start with 20 leaves at the start, then after 1 month, you will see that money plant has got 35 to 40, even more leaves. The stem also becomes longer, so that the actual growth, the growth is a slow process. Okay, it's not like filling air in the balloon and immediately it gets expanded, which is very fast and immediate. Okay, so that cannot be growth. Question 27. Refer to the given flow chart and select the option which correctly identifies animal X. Refer to the given flow chart. This is the flow chart, and select the option which correctly identifies animal X. What is X? Okay. So X, there is a lot of information given over here about X. So X lays eggs. X is a source of leather. X lives in holes and wriggles on ground. Wild, limbless animal is X. Okay. So what could be X? Crocodile, it lays eggs. All of them lay eggs. Okay. This honeybee also lays eggs. Okay. But honeybee, eagle and crocodile are not source of leather. Crocodile is laying eggs and all that, wriggles on the ground, but it is not a limbless animal. Okay, it has limbs, it has got legs and hands. Okay, so actually 4 legs. Now this honeybee doesn't live in holes. Okay, it lives in hives. Hives are not holes actually. So only option we are left with is snake. So let's verify. Snakes lay eggs. Snakes live in holes and wriggles on ground. That is also correct. They are wild and limbless animal. Okay, snakes are wild and limbless also. Limbless means they do not have any hands or legs. Okay, that is why it wriggles. Then again, there are certain snakes from which you can derive leather to make your handbags and all that. It is very costly even, but the snakes are a source of leather also. So we would go with the option C. Snakes are giving you leather. With question number 28. Select the option that will complete the word in the given statement. Select the option that will complete the word in the given statement. Okay. Our body has a framework of bones called, now this is the word. Okay, this is the word used for this framework of bones. Okay, what is that word? S-E-E-O-. So what is the framework of our bones called? It is called skeleton. So can you write skeleton? S-K S-K-E-L-E-T-O-N, skeleton. So the blank is given over this place, this place, this place and this place. So the combination of letters given over here, you have to search it out. That K-L-T-N. Is there any option? Yes, it is here. So the C option will be correct. So coming to question 29. Which of the following plants is used to make paper? Which of the following plants given over here is used to make paper? Okay. So A is, I think you can understand that this is sugarcane. Okay. This could be a rubber plant or something else, but it is not paper plant. Okay. So what is paper plant? First you have to understand that. Okay. This is, I think this is cotton. Okay. These white floral portions are cotton. Okay. Now this is bamboo. Okay. Paper is actually made up of bamboo pulp. So the plant which is used for making paper is bamboo. So we would go with option C. So we have a small list of plants and the products that we can get from these plants. You can check out that list. This is question number 30. Which of the following in this particular flowchart is placed incorrectly in the given flowchart? Okay, so which is incorrect? We have to find out that. So food, these are types of food: roughage, bodybuilding, protective, energy giving. Bodybuilding, protective, energy giving, we all know, but roughage is something that is not digested. Okay, these foods are like salads, raw vegetables that we eat generally. Okay, fruits are also roughage other than having minerals. Okay, so roughage is green beans. Yes, green beans is used in salads. It's fantastic. Then bodybuilding food, it is milk. Yes, milk is also bodybuilding food. Then energy giving food is potato. That's also true. Only butter, I find that it is not protective food. Butter can be categorized into bodybuilding or energy giving. Okay, butter is oily stuff. It has fats. Okay, so butter is not a protective food. Protective foods are minerals, vitamins, like that, like vegetables, fruits, green leafy vegetables. These are all protective foods. Okay, but butter is not protective food. These protective foods help us in fighting against different diseases. So we will go with the option butter. So butter is incorrectly placed here. So friends, it's this much today. In the upcoming part 3 video, we will be sharing the next 5 questions, that is question number 31 to question number 35, which is coming under the Achievers section. Now, question number 1 to question number 15 is already dealt in part 1 video. Please have a check of that. Until we meet again with a new video, it's bye from our side.